Japan is renowned worldwide for its rich culinary heritage, offering a tantalizing array of flavors, textures, and traditions that captivate the senses. In this gastronomic journey, we will explore 7 iconic dishes that epitomize the essence of Japanese cooking, each bearing its unique history, ingredients, and preparation techniques. And that is why you must try these 7 Japanese dishes. 1. Tempura. Seafood, vegetables, or meat coated in a light batter and deep-fried until crispy. Common ingredients include shrimp, fish, sweet potato, pumpkin, and eggplant. Tempura is typically served with tentsuyu dipping sauce. 2. Okonomiyaki. Often referred to as Japanese savory pancakes, okonomiyaki is made with a batter of flour, grated yam, shredded cabbage, and dashi broth, mixed with various ingredients like pork belly, seafood, cheese, or vegetables. Cooked on a griddle, it's topped with okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, bonito flakes, and dried seaweed. 3. Yakitori. Skewered and grilled chicken pieces, traditionally cooked over charcoal. The chicken is typically seasoned with salt or a sweet-savory soy-based sauce. Yakitori can include various parts of the chicken, such as breast, thigh, skin, liver, or cartilage. 4. Tonkatsu, a breaded and deep-fried pork cutlet, usually made from a pork loin or fillet. The pork is coated in flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs before frying until crispy and golden brown. It's commonly served with shredded cabbage, tonkatsu sauce, a sweet and tangy sauce, and sometimes mustard. 5. Takoyaki. A popular street food snack consisting of round-shaped batter balls filled with diced octopus, pickled ginger, and green onions. Cooked in a special takoyaki pan until golden brown, then topped with takoyaki sauce, mayonnaise, bonito flakes, and dried seaweed. 6. Udan. Udan is a type of thick Japanese noodle made from wheat flour, water, and salt. It's often served hot in a savory broth or cold with a dipping sauce. Udan can be topped with various ingredients like tempura, vegetables, or meat, and it's a popular comfort food in Japan. 7. Donburi. Donburi, often abbreviated as don, refers to a Japanese rice bowl dish topped with various ingredients. Common toppings include teriyaki chicken, teriyaki don, breaded and fried pork cutlet, katsudon, or raw fish, sashimi don. The rice and toppings are typically served together in a bowl, making it a hearty and satisfying meal. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it.